In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smooth edges in Photopea for a polished finishing touch on your images. Whether you're retouching a portrait or refining a graphic, this technique will significantly enhance the quality and professionalism of your work. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Photopea, an online photo editing tool that provides functionality similar to more expensive and complex software. This platform is free to use and you don't even need to download anything. Everything runs directly in your browser, which makes it incredibly convenient for quick edits or if you're working on multiple devices. Once you have Photopea opened and your image loaded, the initial step will be to select the object or area where you want to smooth the edges. You can do this by using the selection tool, which you'll find in the toolbar on the side. Photopea offers a variety of selection tools like the lasso, magic wand, or quick selection tool. Choose the one that you feel most comfortable with or that best suits the intricacies of the object in your image. After selecting your object, navigate to the top menu and click on Filter. From there, a drop-down menu will appear. Move your cursor over Noise. This action will present you with another submenu. Click on Median. This is the feature we will use to smooth the edges of your selected object. The median filter, in simple terms, helps blur the boundaries slightly, thus smoothing them out and giving them a more natural and less jarring appearance against the background. Once you select Median, a dialog box will appear on your screen with a handbar slider. This slider controls the intensity of the median effect. As you adjust this bar left and right, you will see the edges of your object smoothing out in real time. It's important not to overdo this step. You want the edges to look smoother, but still maintain a certain level of detail and clarity so your object doesn't appear unnaturally soft or blurred. Play around with the slider until you achieve the smoothness that best fits your image's needs. A little bit of trial and error might be necessary here until you find the sweet spot. And remember, you can always undo and try again if you're not satisfied with the initial result. Once you're happy with how the edges look, you've successfully completed the process. Your image should now have beautifully smoothed edges, giving it a clean and professional look. By following these simple steps, you can easily refine and enhance your images, making them stand out with a polished and sophisticated finish. Feel free to explore other filters and tools Photopea has to offer for even more creative possibilities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.